Hello everyone, this is going to be a short unboxing video of the Glock 19X. Now, we all know that Glock 19X is the US submission for the MHS, or the modular handgun system. Unfortunately, Glock did not win. Alright, I am from the Philippines, and there might be some slight differences on what you can see on other Glock unboxing videos compared to this one. Now, alright, let's go ahead and open it. Okay. Alright. See here some instructions. I believe this is a manual. Important safety guards. Let's just put it as is and read that one later. We have the medium large hand grip extension. We also have one 17 round and one 19 round magazine. We also have this cleaner and a magazine reloader. So there we go. This Glock is what I call a hybrid. It comes with a 19 slide and a Glock 17 frame. Now, this is the first ever factory released by Glock which has the NPVD finish. It also has this night sights. Comes with metal night sights. Here we go. And also, Glock claimed that this one has a marksman barrel. Ambidextrous as well. Slide lock, slide release. What else? Make sure that the gun is empty. There we go. This. Right. Let's try it out. Okay. Cock it again. And the reset. There we go. You can hear the click sound. Let's do it one more time. Let's try to remove the slide. For you to do that, just have to pull it backwards slightly. Push it down. And there you go. This. Let me see if you can see here. There's the spiraling of the barrel, what they call the marksman barrel. I'm not sure if you can see it in the camera or on the camera. How to put it back? Simple. Back the barrel. Spring. And you're good to go. There we go, guys.